Your value options already exist. The ecosystem provides the options. The ecosystem provides every living being with value options. These options exist before any regulatory system becomes involved. Regulation does not give you a value option. It also does not make the decision to take or give that option away. The value option and the value cycle already belongs to you. Regulation becomes relevant when you decide how the option will be actioned and who will control it. Will you control it yourself or give your control away? So, taking your option. When you take your own option, you use your own body to perform the action and retain full control over the value cycle. The complete cycle remains with you. My action, my decision, my bodily action, my value aspect. The value aspect stays on your property and under your control. Because no other party controls or facilitates the option, the value cycle is self-regulated. You decide how the value will be created, distributed, and consumed. The decision, action, and resulting value remain connected to the same person. Giving your option away. When you give your option to another party, the value cycle no longer remains entirely under your control. Another person's body performs or facilitates the action. The value aspect therefore moves beyond your self-controlled environment and enters a non-self-regulated environment. The cycle becomes my option, my decision, another person's actions, another controlled value aspect. Non-self-regulated does not mean that the vital value cycle has no regulation. It means that you are no longer the only person controlling it. The value aspect is now connected to another party and must operate within a regulated environment in which that party actions. What regulation controls? Regulation does not control the existence of the value option. It controls the value aspect once the option moves beyond your fully self-controlled value cycle. The essential distinction is therefore, take your option. The value aspect stays on your property and the value cycle is self-regulated. Give your option away. The value aspect moves beyond the sole control and enters a non-self-regulated environment. The first regulatory question is consequently not whether you have a value option. You already have it. The first question is, where will the value aspect live when your action takes that option?